Imagine this. You wake up one morning and suddenly the Earth stops spinning for just 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds. Sounds short, right? But in those moments, our planet and everything on it would face unimaginable chaos. Let's explore what would really happen if Earth stopped spinning, even for a blink of time. Right now, Earth rotates at about 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. That's faster than a jet plane. We don't feel it because everything, the oceans, the air, even our bodies, is moving with the planet. But if the Earth suddenly stopped, our bodies and everything else would keep moving at that speed. The first disaster would be on land. Imagine cars, buildings, and even people being hurled eastward at over 1,000 kilometers per hour. It would feel like a global-scale car crash. Most structures would collapse instantly, and anything not fixed to the ground would be thrown violently across the surface. Next, the oceans. Water would not stop with the Earth either. Huge walls of water would race eastward, creating mega tsunamis that would sweep across continents. Entire coastlines would vanish within seconds. And then comes the atmosphere. Our air also moves with the planet's rotation. If Earth stopped, the atmosphere would continue moving at supersonic speeds. That means winds stronger than any hurricane, powerful enough to flatten forests and strip away buildings worldwide. After 5 seconds, the Earth would start spinning again. But the damage would already be done. Continents flooded, cities destroyed, and the planet unrecognizable. Life as we know it would never recover from even this tiny pause. So what if Earth stopped spinning for just 5 seconds? The truth is, even a momentary pause could mean total devastation. It's a reminder of how fragile our planet really is, and how perfectly balanced it has to be for life to exist.